everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about the brand which I showed you in my previous video, like in unboxing video, and that time I just showed you what I got in the trial kit. There's like kind of 16 products I got from the brand Eightsaints, and now it's been like a month, and then I thought that I should do the review of this brand. So today I'm going to talk about my top 6 products from that discovery kit which I really liked and really adore. So now let's start. So the very first product which I would like to talk about, it's a cleanser, because we start our skincare by cleansing our face, and cleansers are very important because it's the first step of your skincare. So Eightsaints provide you two kind of a cleanser. I tried both. As I said that in the discovery kit you will get everything from the brand, but I like this down to earth cleanser a lot better than the other one. So it's good for normal to oily skin. If you have a dry skin, definitely it's not gonna provide you so much hydration, but it will definitely remove the impurities and makeup from your skin without stripping skin. So it's also good for dry skin, but as I said that if you need extra hydration, then this cleanser is not gonna work for you. But I really liked it, and it's a good cleanser. It doesn't make my skin overly dry. So this is the first thing I really liked about this brand. Now the second product which I really like is this 10 out of 10. First of all, I think I said this in my previous video too, and I'm saying again, the names of the products are so good. What a creativity. It's just like when you see the name you feel like, okay, I need to use this. So this 10 out of 10 scrub is really good. It's good for your cell turnover. Also it has antioxidant, and the best part of this scrub, it's not very harsh on the skin. Also it has a vitamin C which is good for your skin. So I really like this scrub. Next product is Seeking C vitamin C serum. It has vitamin C, jojoba, and some other good antioxidant ingredient. I tried so many vitamin C products. Like I started with Drunk Elephant's vitamin C, then there are so many other things I tried. So far I like this vitamin C so very much. The reason is it's not sticky, it's not overly perfumed, or like it doesn't smell like chemically. This is the best part of this, and it's absorbed in your skin very quickly. That's why I really liked it, because I do not like when I'm using vitamin C and it's so sticky on your face and it's not going anywhere. It just sit on your skin like anything. This vitamin C is really light. I don't know it's do anything to my skin or not, because I need to use more to see the results. But so far I really like this vitamin C serum. So this is a must have from this brand, I must say. Number 4 is Soulmate. It's a brightening treatment cream. It has hyaluronic acid, glycolic acid, and vitamin E. It's really good, and it smells so light and so good. Again, I'm amazed that they do have like vitamin C or some kind of acids in their products, but they not smell heavy. They smell really good. So this you can use in your daytime skincare, and it's really good for all skin type. I really like it. I have a normal to dry skin, so I can say that all skin types can use this, because it's not at all overly oily or anything. So if you have oily skin, you can still use it. Now second last product is Cloud Whip. Again, it has vitamin C, antioxidants, and many more good stuff in this cream. And to be very honest with you guys, this cream actually smell like cookies, or I don't know, some kind of a cream. It's like smell really nice, but not overly sweet that something you can't handle. It smell like cookies to me, at least. I don't know about you, but the smell of this product is really nice, because personally I do not like product which smells so intense, and the products which are highly perfumed I do not like. But this smell not gonna bother you, and also it disappear after a couple of minutes, so don't worry about it. But this moisturizer is really good. It gives so good hydration to my skin. This cream penetrates in your skin like this, and it's really good for all skin types. I really enjoy this cream because the skin type I have, it really gives me balanced moisturization, not too much, not too less. So it's just perfect moisturizer for a daily use. Now let's talk about the last product which I want to talk about, and this one is my favorite product, and the product is High Society Conditioning Oil. Name says it all. This oil is definitely a high society oil. If I just talk about the ingredients and the way it performs on the skin, it's really good. It's a very light oil. Again, it penetrates in your skin like very quickly, and no oily or sticky feeling I feel. I mean, it's a oil, so you're gonna expect some kind of a oiliness, but it's gonna disappear quickly. It's all depend how you massage, you know, your oil on your face. So definitely you do not need so much oil. Just try max to max 3 to 4 drops. If you are using more than that, definitely any oil gonna sit on your face and it's not gonna go anywhere. I just use the way I want and the quantity I need or my face need, and it's really good. So this product is definitely one of the hero product of this brand Eightsaints, and I really like, and I will definitely buy a full size of this oil for sure. So guys, these products are my pick from this brand Eightsaints, and I would love to buy these particular products again from the brand. Now the best part of this brand is that first of all, they are not using bad chemicals in their products. Secondly, they are using natural ingredients. Third thing, the brand is cruelty free. And the fourth thing, as I said earlier, the names are really good. It's like so much creativity you can see. Now if I just talk about what I don't like about this brand, I don't think that there is anything bad. I mean, one thing I would like to say, I do not like all the products because I got 16 products from the discovery box. So definitely I do not like everything, but whatever I liked I showed you. But also the products which I didn't like, it's not like they did something bad to my skin. No, they didn't do anything bad to my skin. It's just like they're more for like combination to oily skin or more for a normal skin. I have a normal to dry skin, so that's the only reason I didn't like those products. Another thing that I just do not like the products in a plastic packaging. If it's recyclable, it's good, but if it's not, I do not like it. Now these are the sample products, so I can understand, but when I gonna buy the full size product, I would like to see that the full size product gonna come in a plastic bottle or a glass bottle, or it's gonna come in a recyclable packaging. That's something I would like to see. But other than that, this brand is nice. Now if I just talk about the pricing, definitely the products are not cheap, but again, if you are kind of a person who like to invest in a skincare or in a good skincare, prices are affordable. They are not like super expensive, at least to me, I would like to say. But at the end of the day, it's up to you what you want to buy or what you don't want to buy. It's just my little opinion or a review regarding this brand. I hope you like this video, and I will see you soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.